Are you struggling to get an archived Trello list back on your board? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unarchive a Trello list, step by step, so you can quickly restore your workflow and keep your boards organized. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Trello.com. If you're new to Trello, it's a powerful tool for managing projects, tasks, and ideas using lists and cards. Once you are on the site, click the login button in the top right corner and sign in. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or just your email, whatever's easiest for you. Once you're in your Trello dashboard, open the board that contains a list you want to unarchive. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your board to open the menu. From there, select Archived Items. This is where all your archived lists and cards are stored. Now, make sure to switch the view to List. This is important because you specifically want to restore a whole list, not just individual cards. Scroll through your archived list until you find the one you want to bring back. Once you found it, click Send to Board, and just like that, your list is back on your board where it belongs. Archiving and unarchiving is a great way to keep your boards tidy without losing any important information. With this simple process, managing your Trello workspace has never been easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quick Trello tip.